Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure is, and we have given one figure here. A shape has rotational symmetry when it still looks the same after rotation. After some rotation. And how many times it matches as we go once around is called its order. So here from figure we can observe the given figure has order of rotational symmetry, means 4 is the order of rotational symmetry for the given figure. Hence the given figure has 4 as a order of rotational symmetry.